where legacy continues through generations. Let me tell you a story. Origins trace back to 1954, where every needle reveals a chapter of history. With precision and passion, they cut the fabric, shaping dreams into reality. The tailor's expert vision shapes a world of grace, where elegance is born anew with every gesture and breath. They stitch not just suits, but a regal legacy in every thread, creating timeless memories. Experience timeless cuts in luxurious fabrics. Craft your tale of sophistication in a world of fleeting trends. Bespoke tailoring is timeless. In Lawrencepur, every stitch tells your story in exclusive style. Wear it with elegance and excellence.